Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, Paul O'Sullivan has a lot of influence and power, and this is why Ebonuguti can actually get away with what he's doing now. He ran away to London now. And he's got quite a few citizenships, this guy, including a United Kingdom one. Paul O'Sullivan must not come back to SA because he doesn't want to take accountability now of coming to ad hoc after they invited him and Mokgotsi, Brown Mokgotsi. And he refuses to admit his connection to Ramaphosa and some Phala saga, Phala story. And he's involved in tenders, this guy, and how the tenders are distributed. He knows what must happen, who deserves which tender. I'm like, hey, can't do bad this guy. You know? Who is he? And then he knows which tenders must be distributed to the people with influence of who should get tenders. But now, I feel good he's actually a coward also. The fact that but now he can't stand for his hearsay. Well, these things like, Guti, he can't prove them. I think this is why he's actually running away now. He came up with another story. And ad hoc is actually starting on Wednesday. He is now, Paul O'Sullivan, claiming that there's a plot to unalive him, and he's claiming that General Mkhwanazi is in it. I'm like, General Mkhwanazi doesn't give two hoots about you. Oh my gosh, like, why? When you are the one actually who started stories about him, to this day, you haven't been able to prove those stories and those hearsay evidence or testimonies that you wanted to give, or that you have given actually before about Mkhwanazi. You couldn't prove them. This is why Manju Subalek in London, and then he wrote some message to ad hoc. No, I won't be able to come. How? All of a sudden, Manju, from the guy when I'm now you can't speak. He was busy talking nonsense la. Go General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. I know General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wamsue again, and then he countersued. But now I'm thinking, uzophelela lo mphetho wakhe. Umuntu was like mina uzongikhokhela nje just for ukuthi uhambe ukhuluma ngami. Khuluma umuntu ongazazi about me when you are actually a criminal wena kuqala. There was another story Paul O'Sullivan came up with ukuthi General Fani Masemola no General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi are actually criminals. What they went overseas with a supplier. SAPS, SAPS, and came back with Louis Vuittons, all sorts of Louis Vuittons, basically. I'm just thinking at the back of my mind, Uguti, it was mostly bags, Apparently later on in those things, they gave them to their wives. I'm just like, how do you know all of this? O'Sullivan, guys, the stuff that he says this guy, at times I'm just like, guy. And then now he's playing some childish game. He doesn't want to come to ad hoc now. And the ad hoc, they're not budging. Oh, Julius, they're just like, you're going to come. It's just like, no, actually, I can only come end of Feb. So what happens now to your security? You need security. And my thing is that if he needed security, he should have just said that. But no, he's just playing some crazy game. And I understand. And then now he says, he can only come end of Feb. Oh, uzobona. I'm like, what are you even saying? And that is so rude, for someone who had such a big mouth. And then they can't speak. Hi, Manje, we are scared. I'm scared. But no Mkhotsi is also citing no mina ngiyasaba actually. Because I'm like, if you could go to Madlang, was like at work at Cape Town. But they're not taking any virtual hearings or testimonies. No, they're not. They're just like, no, you must just come to ad hoc like everyone else. I need to, you are busy la. O'Sullivan, Cedric was there sitting. He was sitting at the ad hoc, lowering Palelama messages, threatening him. Sitting there. He had to read that message of Cedric to the committee. Hey, O'Sullivan. O'Sullivan is amazing, guys. He's just crazy, this guy. My thing is that those claims that he made about Umkhwanazi, he can't back them up now. Bafune adoke bazomdonsa uJulius Malema. Ha, mina ngithembe bona noBreitenberg. uGlenis uzothi yebena. He was busy trashing high profile people including politicians with the hearsay yakhe. And then now, like I'm saying, he can't back it up now. I feel like O'Sullivan is very, very, very selfish. He's actually a very selfish man. He put so many people's lives on the verge and he was busy twisting things. Man, you say you're the scared man now. Oh my gosh, it's in London. And he knew they were going to call him. He was next. He was just like, what? I'm coming back in Gahamba for festive. I'm never coming back. And the Masenti, I'll be able actually Ireland. Zwinging me like you've never seen.